You have been scripting, you have been meditating, you have been journaling, you've been trying to manifest, but it is not coming, it's not working. Well, I'm going to be giving you 3 reasons why your manifestations aren't working and how you can fix them today. So, first off, why your manifestations aren't working, simply, baby, is because you're manifesting from a place of lack and not abundance. You're like, oh, I want this so bad. Oh, I want this so bad. Oh, I want to get a new car so bad. Oh, I want to be in a new house so bad. You're manifesting from a place of lack. You want it like right now. You want it like if it doesn't come tomorrow, it's not going to happen. Maybe that's not how it is. The universe doesn't operate in the form of lack. It operates on abundance. The universe doesn't operate on lack, it operates on abundance. So if you're trying to manifest from a place of, oh, I'm hungry, I want to get this thing, da 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 da, maybe it's not going to come to you. And how can you fix that? You have to manifest and operate from gratitude. You have to be thankful. When you don't even have it yet, you have to be thankful. Thank God that I have this today. Thank God that I have that today. You have to operate from a form of gratitude. I'm thankful that I have this universe. Can you give me more? I'm thankful that I have this God. Can you give me more? You have to let God you have to let God know that you are grateful first before anything else. Second reason is you're not detached. You want it so bad. You're not letting go. You see, detachment is basically knowing that you're gonna get that thing in regardless. Yes, this is what I want, but you're still gonna get it. You don't go hovering about it. You don't go thinking about it 2/7. It's like you want to move into a new apartment, but you're like, oh, I want to move into a new apartment. Oh, I want to move into a new apartment. It's so bad. You're like, oh, I want to move in. No, 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 no. Again, the universe operates on energy. It operates on energy. Whatever you're sending to the universe is how the universe is going to operate on. You have to show that you're detached. You have to master detachment. See, detachment is literally the difference between you and the person that already has every single thing. You don't go about your day thinking, oh, I must get this, I must get this, I must get this. You go about your day simply knowing that I want this and I'm gonna get it. The rest is for the universe to solve. That's how it is. You don't go about saying, oh, I want it so bad, I want it so bad. No, 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 no. Don't send that energy, don't send that vibration to the universe. Don't send that kind of energy to the universe. How can you fix it? First is to let go. Let go, yes. You write down all your expectations, what you want the universe to do, what you want to have, what you want to manifest. You write everything down and you let go, you release it, because you know you're gonna get it regardless. It's like ordering food. You order your food, you've paid the money. You don't go wondering about, oh, is my food gonna come? Is my food gonna come? No, because you know your food's gonna come. That's how it should be with your manifestations. You don't go about wondering, oh, am I gonna get it? No, 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 no. You already know you have it. You already know you have it. Okay? And the last common mistake that we make is you're not wiring your identity. Baby, you're not gonna manifest what you aren't. You are not going to manifest what you aren't. You have to be the thing that you want. If you want something and you're not identifying, you are not going to get it. Changing your self-concept is literally going to give you everything that you want. You want to get something, but you don't even believe in the inside of your heart that you have that thing. You're not going to get it. You're literally telling yourself that, oh, I'm just being, it's like you're not even believing in it. You're just saying, oh, I'm just being delusional. Oh, yes, I want to manifest the car, but I know I can't drive one. I know I can't drive one. I just want to see how it works. No, 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 no. That's why you are not even manifesting it, because you should not be seeing how it works. You should know that you are going to get the car. That's the difference. That's the difference to those that get everything in life. You see all those top people that are manifesting. You see all those top, like, you see them and you're like, how are they doing this? It's because they believe that they are going to get it regardless of whatever they are. It is their identity. You can't separate your identity from you. You can't. It is your identity. It is your self-concept. You can't take it away. That is why they are able to manifest everything they want in their life. How can you fix this? You have to rewire your self-concept. You have to rewire your identity. You have to go back daily and take time to rewire, to remove those limiting beliefs and rewire what you see and how you see yourself. If not, you're not going to be manifesting. You're going to be stuck. You're going to be stuck. And we don't want to be stuck. We want to attract everything good around here. So you have to sit and rewire. I have lots of videos on rewiring your self-concept, how you can call off limiting beliefs. Check them out. Check them out. I can make more if that's what you want. If you want detailed ones, I can make more. You have to rewire your identity and your self-concept so you can be able to attract and manifest. Remember that the universe operates on energy and not words. It operates on energy. It operates on alignment. You have to align. If not, you're not getting anything. You're not going to manifest anything. You're not going to be getting all the goods that the earth has to offer. You're not going to be getting all the goods that the universe is giving out. That would come to the end of another amazing video. Thank you so much. Like I said, my favorite parts. Welcome to my favorite part of the video where I can chat with you guys. So thank you so much for watching again. I love you all. I want you to remember that it's very easy to manifest. See, it's very easy to manifest. All what you have to do is you have to shift from being to becoming. You have to shift from you have to become what you want to manifest. You have to shift from being to becoming. You have to. If not, you're not going to get every single thing you want to have. You're not going to get what the universe is giving out to people. You are not going to get it. Align your energy. Become what you want to become. What you want to manifest. And you're going to see how everything is going to transform. I love you all. As always, leave a pink love in the comment section if you enjoyed today's video. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye. Have an amazing Sunday or day. Anyone that you're at. Bye.